Hello, today we are going to learn how to draw a face. I'm using my B4 pencil. So first draw a circle. Doesn't need to be perfect. And then divide it in two vertically. And then find the center. And then continue the line the same size as the circle radius. So, and then try to make an egg shape, supposed to be the jawline and cheeks. So it can be narrower or wider because people's face are different, but now we don't have any model, so I'm just doing it, it's kind of imaginary face. So if you want to see your work is symmetrical, always you can turn your paper and have a look. Very important thing is don't press too hard, because if we do any mistake we are able to fix it. Now we are going to draw a line from the center of circle, and now another line here. This will be for nose tip, and this will be for eyebrows. So divide this part, the middle part, into three. So this line will be for eyes, and divide the other part in three as well. This line will be for mouth, and divide this part by three as well. Doesn't need to be perfect. This is for hairline. Now for eyes, divide each part into four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We start from here to here for eyes. Usually the inner corner is slightly lower. And now we start the nose. You don't need to draw the nose bridge, as we are going to use shading technique to make the nose bridge. Don't draw two really strong lines here, never do that. So the eyebrows, because I don't have any model, so I can do it the way I want to. Again I say, don't press too hard, because you should be able to fix your mistakes if you do any mistake or you want to change the shape or anything. Now we add eyelid, now we add the iris. Usually the top part is a kind of like covered by the eyelid, and now we go to the mouth, slightly bigger than the nose. And lower lip. Now I've decided to make the cheeks slightly larger. For ears, from the corner of the eye to the nose, don't draw them too big. And now I add the hair, totally up to you what kind of hairstyle, and usually we add a little bit more to the top. It's totally up to you. And the neckline kind of curved from ears. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed.